guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I'm going to share with you another nail polish of the week video. First, on my right hand I still had that green gel polish design. I haven't really shared that one with you yet and I'm not sure if I'm going to. I have like a ton of other videos to share with you first. But first up, start off with clean nails and I'm going in with one of my Essence base coats. It says it is the gel base coat. It's really confusing, I know, but bear with me. This is just a regular base coat. You don't have to cure it, it just air dries. Nothing snazzy, nothing fancy, nothing super complicated or difficult. It's just a random base coat. But it is one of my favorites though, so if you are able to get one of these base coats, you totally should, because they're really affordable and they actually protect your nails from massive staining, and they also make sure that your manicure lasts a longer period of time. So just remove any excess. If you have any flooding around the cuticle area or onto the skin next to the nails, just remove it while it is still wet. You could just use your fingernail for that, or an orange wood stick, or even a little clean up brush with some remover. For this week's nail polish color, I'm going in with 83. Orange is the new black. This one is by Catrice. It is in stores right now. It is from their regular nail polish collection, but these are the newer, like updated colors or extra like additions to this fall winter collection. I really love this one. This really gives me autumn, fall, pumpkin spice kind of vibes, and I love it so much. Also, this one is infused with acai, which is apparently really good for your skin and nails. I don't have like all the information about that, but they say it's good for it, so I tend to believe it is. Even though nails are like dead, like tissue, it isn't alive, it's not breathing or anything like that. It's always nice to have something on your nails that is kind of protective and just really healthy for them. So yeah, that's a big plus. And as you can see, this first layer is completely opaque already. It really is an opaque formula. I love it, it's amazing. I'm just really happy with these 10 new colors that Catrice came out with. As I said, these are from the regular collection, so you don't need to hurry to get them. These aren't like limited or anything like that. But there is a chance that somewhere in February or March next year, some of the colors may get switched up with some newer shades. So you actually have a couple of months to get this shade if you are interested. So these polishes by Catrice are completely vegan, cruelty-free, and really affordable as well. I think these are like €3.59 or something like that. Of course, prices may vary depending where you are from or where you are going to get them. I know that they are a little bit more affordable in Germany, but I don't live that close to the border. It's like a 3.5 hour drive for me to actually go to Germany. So I just get them here online at my drugstore or just at the local store here in the town where I live. But back to this color, I just think it's a lovely fall color, really pumpkin-y. It's kind of like a deep, like warm orange, which I pretty much like actually. Usually I'm not really into the super warm colors, but this one really is awesome, and I think it would be really nice to actually use this for a Halloween design as well, because I have been asked to do some Halloween designs too this year, and I'm going to try and schedule in a couple of designs with regular nail polishes and maybe one or two with gel polishes, depending on how much inspiration I actually have. But I think this orange will look awesome for like a pumpkin design or just a happy Halloween theme kind of going on. But back to the video, I am applying one of my Catrice top coats. I've mentioned this in a ton of previous videos that I really love the Essence base coats and the Catrice top coats. This is just a quick dry high shine one if I remember correctly. They also have one which has a thicker substance, which is the gel like top coat or something like that. Again, it only has the gel in the name. You don't have to cure it in LED or UV or anything. But this one I am using, so that's like the quick dry high shine whatever. Has a really thin consistency, and I really love that if I'm just doing one nail color like I'm doing in this nail polish of the week video. But yeah, it's totally up to you what top coat you want to use. I just use this one because I think it's really awesome and it's really affordable as well. But this was already the entire video. Let me know what you think about this color. Personally, I'm really in love with it. I think it's perfect for fall, but let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and as usual, I hope to see you in my next video.